people, for me, this is undoubtedly one of the prettiest places I've visited here in Hampi. As you can see, there's a whole lake behind us, and I have my whole group here with me. And I'm gonna miss this team leader. Yeah, I'll try to join in some trek that has him.
Happy Friendship Day! Happy Friendship
Friendship
Day!
Day, yes.
Subscribe to
Kanda symbol
YouTube
friendship,
channel.
please.
Yes, so sweet.
This is
Yeah.
my name Ash.
Hey, Uppal Bal.
Yeah.
Hi
Ashwin and
friends,
Ash-
మేము హంపీలో ఉన్నాం friends.
Yes, correct. See, so sweet. Once I upload it, I'll be such a pretty girl.
Hey, బియ్యం రా అంటే
recommending my
కోతులంటే
channel.
నువ్వు.
So this is how it looks.
బియ్యం రా అంటే
It is just so beautiful here. Yeah, Hampi is a place you'll have to visit because it is just so. See, since there's a water body, it's very tranquil also. So this is how it looks. So that's what. So on that note, thanks for watching
అమ్మట్లేదు
and please subscribe.